Okay, welcome back. I'm pausing on my other videos because we got a package in the mail. Well, yeah, in the mail. This is the ambassador that was upgraded with a, it was upgraded with a 850 cc motor in the 5-speed transmission. So it's an Eldorado it's basically an ambassador that was upgraded to an Eldorado. So one of the pistons was not Nikasil-Coated, so I had to send it out to get coated, and it got sent back, so I just got it. So let's take a look at it, and I'm going to install it. So let's see what it looks like. I'll give you a little sticker here. Okay, so it gives a set of instructions. Number 1, thoroughly clean the cylinder with hot soapy water to remove any dirt accumulated from the shipping. Number 2, chase, we're going to do that. Number 2, chase tapped holes with the proper size tap. There are no tapped holes. Number 3, blow out all orifices, tapped holes and ports in the cylinder with compressed air. We'll do that. Number 4, install studs. We don't have any studs in this. Number 5, install power valves. We don't have power valves. Number 6, assemble the engine per manufacturer's instructions. We're going to do that. Number 7, break in the engine per the manufacturer's guidelines. If you're unsure, please contact your dealer. So that looks like the instructions are relatively easy. And this cylinder was shipped away to a company called Power Seal. And it looks like they shipped it back in my original package. There's the cylinder. I'm sorry, there's the piston. So they sent the piston back. Oh, there's really a lot of stuff in here. It looks like a brand new cylinder, really. Wow. It's fantastic looking. It looks really good. Well, so I am going to, this looks beautiful actually. Let's see how. Piston fits great, actually. works and fits great. We will check the measurements. We'll check the measurements on the clearance. And we're gonna install it. So I'm gonna keep this in the original box. There's some foam in there, so I guess let's install it. Let's move. So stand by. Let me get set up.